Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to solve the problem of automatic correction in writing in WhatsApp from your phone settings or from your WhatsApp settings without any programs. Before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you to everyone who subscribed. Thank you to everyone who watched the video. Thank you to those who clicked like on the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports me now. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, you do is go to your WhatsApp account. After that, you click on the three small dots here, or on this arrow. After that, you will find the settings here. Click on them. After clicking on the settings, click on writing. After clicking on writing, you will find automatic correction here. If this feature is activated, the words will be corrected according to the expected insult while you are writing. This means that WhatsApp will automatically correct your writing, and therefore there will be errors in it. Therefore, activate this or deactivate this feature. This is Canada, the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.